Hey guys, how's it going? This is TK coming at you. I wanted to make a special video for my cryptocurrency entrepreneurs, my fellow uh, future seers. You got to have a little bit of innovation, forward thinking, and courage to get involved in what's next, not concentrate on what's now. So I'm pretty excited about a few things. When you think about blockchain technology, you have to encompass the concept of new paradigm, a completely new way of transacting business. The way we exchange money has now entered a new advancement because of blockchain. So the public ledger concept is continuously expanded upon thanks to blockchain, right? So Bitcoin was the pioneer. The Wild Wild West has now been blazed. And there's at least 100 different altcoins that basically copied Bitcoin to say, hey, we want to play too, right? But one thing, because Bitcoin dabbled its way to success, one thing that you can accurately point out or track if you are a details person is that the transactional volume in Bitcoin is mostly associated with altcoins because Bitcoin is the reserve currency within the cryptocurrency world, right? Any altcoin that you want to buy, you have to buy it with Bitcoin. So the transactional volume that you see in Bitcoin is probably mostly associated with altcoins, and altcoins are driving Bitcoin's success, right? Or its speculative, volatile nature. How about that one? And that is one thing that a lot of people don't like about it. Okay, 8 years into the creation, there's plus 400,000 stores, and now it's starting to get a little bit of adaptation. But I'm in the belief set that commerce drives business. Or I should phrase it like this: commerce will always drive an economy. Because if you measure the success of any economy, it's based on the exchange of goods and services. And that's how we label commerce. So where commerce tends to go, right, the public will follow. So if you have big name entities within commerce that start to follow the adaptation plan within any given coin, that's going to drive success, that's going to create value, and that's going to create a more stable future for said coin. Okay, so what I'm thinking about in terms of our space of cryptocurrency is which coins have its own microeconomy, and then within that microeconomy, which coins have a driving force behind it. Now, as I see it, and this is my opinion, I think Capricorn is one of those players because of the clear, concrete direction in the management company behind the coin, the leadership direction and transparency of the management team and visionary clearly point out how they are working towards adaptation. What strategic, fundamental business tactics they are using to create value within the coin. And a lot of coins do not have that. That's what I meant by which coins have its own microeconomy. So Capricorn is definitely one of those coins. Second would be Ethereum. the coin itself, Ether. Now, the Ethereum platform, the microeconomy of Ethereum, has a lot of corporate sponsors behind it. There were, I believe, 13 or more companies in a consortium that came together to create the community. And the funding behind the community is large. The market capitalization for Ethereum is pretty high. But what separates Ethereum community and Ether, the coin, from other altcoins is that it didn't just say, I'm going to copy Bitcoin and we're just another player in the field. This platform expands on the cryptocurrency concept and now allows smart contracts to be attached to monetary exchange. So the first example of that is the soon to come Slockit. That will be a public company which is soon to release on the Ethereum platform, and it allows smart contracts. So you have the first public, decentralized, autonomous organization. And to go beyond just exchanging money for goods and services, and now you get into digital companies that autonomous, let me get the wording right, that exist independent of any human interaction. That's major. So a DAO is pretty much open to your creative imagination. I've always said within the cryptocurrency platform that you are only limited by your innovation and creativity. Whereas in the fiat monetary system, manipulation and control, gatekeepers and access is kind of what drives that system, right? Even if you're allowed to pass through a gatekeeper, it usually comes with carrot strings. And none of those factors exist within cryptocurrency. That's why I call it a paradigm shift, because you can create a DAO. Any one of us can hire some developers, create coding, whether it's in any of the 4 languages in Ethereum, and begin to test a DAO or a dApp, a decentralized application. So I have some ideas. There's some things that I want to create. I mean, if you put your mind to it and you are of the creative nature, you can monetize anything. You can monetize anything that's currently on the web and create it within Ethereum. So it's pretty exciting. And that's all I'm talking to you guys about. I'm talking to you guys about what's next, what's exciting within the cryptocurrency world. One of the members put out, and I also forwarded the message in terms of the Ethereum ATM machine that's in San Diego and how they brought it to existence and what it's able to do. You basically interact to the entire Ethereum platform, but from an ATM machine. Pretty exciting. So you've got Ethereum, you've got Capricorn, and those are 2 microeconomy coins that I'm pretty excited about. So I hope you guys are excited too. I hope you guys do some things to position yourself within these economies. If you haven't already, now is the time to acquire Ether, acquire Capricorn, and if you need help with that, you can always contact me. I can walk you through what I've already done for myself, and that's the process that's how I recruit. I just tell you, look, I'm showing you my results. I'm showing you what I've done for myself. And if you want to duplicate what I've done, I can act as a coach. So here's to all of the success within cryptocurrency. I'm always an advocate. I'm always trying to promote the industry to advance the community. And I truly believe that decentralized money is financial freedom, because I'm my own bank. I'm in control of my finances. I'm capable of sending 20 cents or 20,000 without permission. Try doing that with paper money and see what happens.